What happened? What is going on with the price of these Air Jordan 1s? We have to talk about this one. You still have a chance to get yourself a pair of lost and found Air Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do is like this video, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1 lost and found. Make sure you guys follow me over on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Follow Saucy Souls over on Instagram. His link is down below in the description. And then be sure to DM me proof, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys did everything. This giveaway ends at the end of the month. New Year's, I'll be picking the winner. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of lost and found Air Jordan 1s. And please watch out for scammers. There are scammers out there creating fake accounts, saying they're me, pretending to work for me, all this crazy nonsense, both here on YouTube and Instagram. So please watch out for these crazy scammers. None of this is me. Please check the account and do not get scammed. Good luck on the giveaway for the lost and founds. Make sure you guys stay tuned for tomorrow's video, because tomorrow's video is 1 month since the lost and found release. We have to talk about what the hell is going on. Sole Premise sneaker bags. Hold your sneakers when you're traveling. As you guys can see, I have 5 to 6 pairs inside of this bag. There's also room on the bottom of the bag for more sneakers as well. There's also room for your clothes, your laptop, your chargers, and you have front zippers as well for even more space. All of Sole Premise bags are designed to store your sneakers safely when you're traveling. They also have a daily bag that holds 1 to 2 pairs of sneakers as well. They have luggage bags, all different types of travel bags. Be sure to click my link down below in the description. Check out solepremise.com. Use my promo code Danny Moore. My name, Danny Moore, will give you 40% off. These bags are perfect for the holidays. They're a great gift. So if you're shopping for a sneakerhead, make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. They're very affordable when you guys use my promo code, and you're gonna get 40% off these high quality bags. They're so great for sneakerheads. Click my link down below. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. I took the sneaker off display because this sneaker is very expensive, and as you guys can see me, I have some expensive shoes behind me. We have to talk about the price and what is going on with the price of these Air Jordan 1s, because it's stagnant. They haven't moved. They've been the same price, and I think they'll remain around the same price for some more time and eventually creep up in price. We have to take a look at these because of the recently released Travis Scott sneakers. Well, right here we have another pair. These are the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low Reverse Mocha. We have to talk about this one. What is going on with these prices? They're not moving. They're staying around that $1,100 to $1,200 price point, and they've been that price point, honestly, since, I don't know, a week or two after release. They haven't moved. They haven't moved. This sneaker did release back in July of this year, which is crazy. It feels like these released so long ago. It really wasn't that long ago, right? Sneaker releases come and go so quickly. Time moves on. But yes, we have the Reverse Mochas, a lot of people's favorite Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low sneaker. Very nice. Can't go wrong with the colorway, the color blocking. Details are crazy. You do have the red stitching on the back, one with the Cactus Jack logo, the other one with the Air Jordan Wings logo, Nike Air on the tongue, and of course on the tongue you do have the Cactus Jack branding as well. The cream backwards swoosh with that cream sail midsole, very nice combo. The brown is different, of course, than the OGs, but it's a very nice shade of brown nonetheless. Very clean, wearable sneaker. These had a ton of hype. When it comes to the Black Phantoms, stay tuned. I will have the Black Phantoms. I'll do a full video talking about the Black Phantoms. We'll get them in hand. We'll do a full breakdown talking about resell, what's going on with the price of that shoe, because they're dropping in price, which I expected. So right here, these are just stagnant, man. They're staying. The Reverse Mochas are staying at a very good price point, to be honest. At $1,100 to $1,200, they're holding up strong. They're not dropping, but they're not going up. They're holding up strong at that $1,100 to $1,200 price point, which is solid. It's solid. It's a lot of money, don't get me wrong, but it's solid and shows that people really want these, but demand is not crazy high where they're gonna skyrocket in price yet. I do think they will. I definitely think they'll creep up in price, but they'll still remain under the OG price point. That OG pair is gonna remain the most expensive. Travis Fragments have been crazy. What's going on with those? If you guys want, I could do an update video on those. Travis killed it on this release. It's a great colorway, great color blocking. Travis Scott, Jordan 1 lows. These prices are just not moving. Just not moving. Weird, right? To not see them move at all. I know it's only been like 5 months, but hey, 5 months, we've seen other sneakers skyrocket up. Look at Lost and Founds. Right? Look at Lost and Founds. These quickly have been going up. Yes, of course, they're a lot cheaper. It's not the same, but it shows that market is still going up on certain pairs. Some pairs faster than others as long as demand is there. These are just holding up at that price point. There's not super high demand. You know, people are not spending $1,500 on them, but it's not low demand either where they're going for, $400 or $500. So, they're holding that price point. It's kind of crazy to see them still be at that price point. I figured by now we might see $100 or $200 increase. Hasn't happened yet. I definitely think we will in 2023, maybe see a little price increase on them. I've been wearing my Travis Scott Fragments. I do plan on wearing the Reverse Mochas, and when I do, because these are so expensive, I'm definitely putting Drip Grip sole protectors on the bottom of my Travis Scotts. Drip Grip has the best sole protectors on the market, guys. No slips, no tears, multiple wears. Put this on the bottom of your shoe, wear it as much as you want, peel off the sole protector, and the bottom is gonna look brand new as if you never wore them. Be sure to click my link down below in the description, check out dripgrip.com, and use my promo code Danny10 for 10% off your entire order. They're a great gift for the holidays. You're shopping for a sneakerhead, they have any expensive shoes, make sure you guys check out Drip Grip. They're awesome gifts, and they're very cheap. Prices are stagnant. They're not moving up at all. That's what's going on with the Reverse Mocha Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low. I do think over time we will see a price increase. It's a great Air Jordan 1 Low, one of the best sneaker releases of the entire year, and definitely had a lot of hype. This had more Nike sneaker entries than ever before. I do think Lost and Founds may have beaten that. Travis Scott Reverse Mochas had the most entries ever, which is absolutely crazy. Let me know your thoughts down below on the Reverse Mocha Travis Scotts. Are they a cop? Are they a drop? You still have a chance to get a pair of Lost and Founds. Like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your size. Follow me and Saucy Souls over on Instagram. Those links are down below in the description. And DM me proof, DannyMoore2369. Send me that proof that you guys did everything. Good luck on the Lost and Found giveaway. These are fire, straight fire. And as far as the Travis Scotts, don't sleep on the Reverse Mochas, and stay tuned for my video on the Black Phantoms. I'm getting them ASAP. Make sure you guys subscribe. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching.